Welcome to another episode of Edu-Tech. Today we are looking at the Samsung Wireless Charger Trio. This has been released about a year ago, but I'm just reviewing it today because it may still be a new device to a lot of people. To start with, it has 9 watts fast charging wireless, and it can charge up to 3 different devices. As you can see, if I just try to zoom on that a little bit, like that. So you can see you can charge your phone, your Galaxy buds, or any other buds that have wireless charging. You can charge your watch as well at the same time. So 3 different devices at the same time, and this is compatible with 9 watts fast charging. By the way, it also charges Apple appliances like iPhones and as well any other device that has a wireless charging. But let's look into what is inside the box and see how it works. That's the box from the external look of it, and that's the device as it is on the box. Now let's open it up. Alright, that's an empty box. Put that away. Now we pull the elephant out. Let's look at, that's the wall mount charger, and that's going to be, I believe, USB-C to USB-C. Yeah, that's right, USB-C to USB-C. Put that aside. So that's the device itself. That's the plastic at the back. Pull that off. Alright, now the device itself is very smooth and very big. As you can see, there are some dots on it indicating the coil inside. It has some coils inside that enable it to do fast charging. Now let's see how it works. Now you can see it has indicated some light. So when the device is charging, most people thought that it is a power bank as well. It is not. You have to keep it connected to electricity before you can use it to charge. So it does not per se store any power inside it. It's not a power bank at all. It is a charger. All right, so let's start with, say, any Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, look, that's charging already, and there is an indicator light here saying that it is charging. All right, then let's start with Galaxy buds. Let's pop that here. Now I don't know if you can see, but it also has light on it. You can see the light on it now. It is charging as well. And now let's put Galaxy Watch just to see. Put the Galaxy Watch here. Now it's also charging. You can see. So the phone is charging, and then the buds are charging, and the watch is charging. So you can see these 3 indicator lights over here. This indicates that it is charging 3 different devices at the same time. Now let's try an Apple phone, an iPhone. That's charging, 100% charge. All right, so basically that's how it works. 3 devices at the same time. Very handy if you are like me, you travel around for work and you have Samsung devices. You basically just need to carry this and then the wall charger. That's all.